Hey guys, hey. So if you didn't see the title, then you already know it is influencer time. Yes, Influencer has sent me 2 boxes that I'm really excited about, especially this little one right here. But we're gonna open, of course, the big one first, and then we'll talk about the little one. All right. So before we begin, please like, subscribe, and share to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Comment down below what are your favorite influencer products, and if you've tried any of these products that I'm going to talk to you about in the video, let me know down in the comments. I would love to know your suggestions. And if you guys want me to do an actual review on the big product, let me know in the comments and I will do one. Should I do it anyway? No, I'll wait to see what you guys say. So without further ado, let's get into this video. All right guys, so this box, it is BHS. It is a hair care brand that I've never heard about. I feel like I have, like, the bottles look familiar, but I've never tried it. Or I think they're new. They have to be new because I've never heard about them before. They're for beautiful hair and scalp. It is an anti-dandruff care meets beautiful hair. Do you not dandruff? All right, I'm so corny, I know. All right, so they sent me, of course, if you see my hair, I have curly hair. So of course they sent me curly hair shampoo and conditioner. It is their anti-dandruff shampoo, 3% salicylic acid with shea butter. I love me some shea butter. Okay, let me tell you something. When it comes to my curly hair, coconut, do not give me anything with coconut in it. I do not like coconut for my hair. It does not work in my hair. But give me shea butter. And yes. All right. And then the conditioner is anti-dandruff conditioner, and it only has 2% salicylic acid with shea butter. So very excited to try these. I do get dandruff. I get like itchy scalp, but I use my rejuvenating oil on my scalp to help alleviate some of that dryness. But if this is for dandruff, hopefully it moisturizes my scalp. It says for all curl textures, which I'm also glad that they have one specifically. I like when they specify when brands specify for each hair type. So they have the curly one, they have one for full, they have one for vibrant, they have one for smooth, which I guess is frizzy hair. They have one for damage, and they have a detox one. So oh, the vibrant one is for color, like color treated hair, which I have color treated hair, but I also have more curly hair than color treated. I mean, like, I don't know, whatever. Anyways, I want to smell it to see what it smells like. This is the conditioner. Ooh, baby, it's thick. Look, it was already popping out. Ooh, it smells. That smells real good. That smells really good. All right, that's the conditioner. Let's see the shampoo. So, my nose. So the shampoo had a cover. The conditioner did not. Hold on, unless it you know, this always happens to me. Nope, it didn't have a cover. All right, I want to open this shampoo. Ooh, guys, it smells so good. All right, I want to feel the texture, the consistency of it. See if it's like watery or not. I hate when they're watery because it's like, is it gonna do what it's supposed to do? I'm gonna put a little bit. Well, okay, first of all, look how slow it's going down. That's a good shampoo. This is what your shampoo should be doing. You see how it's like jelly, like not jelly, but it's like, you know, how it has a nice consistency. It's not watery. It smells really good. I mean, oh my god, it smells so BHS. All right, let's see. It's sulfate free, color safe, paraben and dye free. Good. This is shampoo. Here, if you guys want to pause and read, because I'm not going to read all that. And does it say the same thing? Yeah. Okay, sulfate free. Now, is it silicone free? Is the conditioner silicone free? That's what I'm looking for, people. That is what I'm looking for. Because silicones are no for my hair. Let's see the ingredient list. Oh, if you guys want to pause and read that real quick. Okay. don't see any silicones. I'm sorry, I'm outside. My allergies killing me here. But anyway, so I'm loving the consistency of the shampoo. You know what? Let me try the conditioner. It's shampoo. Let's try the conditioner. All right. Just a tiny bit. Oh, I put too much. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's creamy. Oh my god, guys, it smells like perfume. I love me a good fragrance for my hair. I like when my hair smells really good. I'm always getting complimented on how nice my hair smells because I only use products that make my hair smell good and are natural, vegan, plant-based, and all that stuff. Is this vegan? Hold on. I don't think so. I don't think it's plant-based. I'll find out. I'll like put it in here in the video. But so this is really creamy and it smells good as well. And the shampoo, it's not jelly like and it's not watery, but it's a good consistency. And it's not sticky. It's over here drying on my hand. It's not sticky, which is good. So I haven't tried it in my hair, but from just the feeling it and the smell, I want to give this an A+. I haven't tried it, but if you guys have tried this brand, let me know down in the comments. Thank you to Influenster for sending me this, and for BHS for sending this, you know, working together with Influencer. Okay, now on to the next product. It's gonna be a very long video at this case. So I got sent an Urban Decay makeup palette. Yes. Yes. That's how you know. That's how you know you've made it. I'm just kidding. So the three new ones that they have are Half Baked, Foxy, and Sin. So Sin is like a pinky tone. Foxy, it's supposed to be green, but that doesn't look, I guess it's like a dark beigey green. And then Half Baked is like the orangey brown tone, which I'm happy that I got Half Baked because Half Baked because I like orangey tones. And look at this box. This is cute. Look at these colors. Hold on. Look at these colors, guys. Look at these colors. I'm going to swatch them for you, of course, and they're really pretty. It is Urban Decay. And they also sent me their eyeshadow primer potion, which I'm really excited because I do have an eye primer, but I usually use it all over my face. And I hear Urban Decay is a really great brand. It's just they're always pricey, so I never buy them because I'm cheap, you know. But I have to hide this from my daughter because if she sees this, she's gonna take it. So let's watch this a little bit. All right, let's see. Oh my god, that's a pretty color. The brown is strong. Oh my god. Yeah, I did too much on that one. Let's do this one, which is gonna be also pretty strong. Alright, so I don't know if you can see the colors, but I got closer so you guys can see this, my horrible job at swatching. But look at these colors. I really like this one. Obviously I took too much of it because I used my thumb, but this one, like, look at it. That is pretty. The brown, perfect. This I'm trying to figure out which finger I use for that one. This one, it is a nice, and it's blendable. I like that it's blendable. This one, it didn't really come out that strong. Maybe I should have put it a little bit darker. Hold on, guys. That one is this one. Maybe you gotta just right there, and then that one. So just for reference, I'll just put them like this so you guys can see. So yeah, my hands, not my hands and my arm are dirty. But this palette I'm happy about. I'm gonna take this with me when I go to DR because these colors are just like perfect for the summer, and they give you the nice bright tropical look as well as the dark smoky evening look. So again, thank you to Influenster. Mommy! And
what are you doing?
I'm doing a video. Give me 1 second. I'm almost done.
Mommy, I'm so hungry.
You're hungry? All right, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna get you something to eat, okay?
I want Cheetos.
No Cheetos. You want a sandwich or you want chicken nuggets? Again, thanks to Influencer, Urban Decay for sending me these goodies, and as well the shampoo and the conditioner from BHS. If you guys are interested in joining Influencer, I'll put my link down below in the description so you guys can sign up and get yourself some free makeup because, oh my gosh, these colors, I'm loving them. And some shampoo and conditioner. And they also have stuff for the house, food-wise. I think I'm getting a box with food products, so that'll probably be the next Influencer unboxing I do. And if you guys want me to make another video on what I've been doing to get more Influencer boxes, they're super simple and easy. I just like when I get a box, I post on my social media and I do the reviews. If you just participate in the app, they'll pick you when they send you those surveys. Just do every single survey. Say you want everything. Just say yes. Don't opt out to anything. Because if you opt out, then you're not going to get anything. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. And please, please, please stay safe out there with my dirty hands. And have a great, great day. Bye now.